In Pontal do Paraná, located in southern Brazil, the Technip de Quinte Consortium were building the Petrobras P76 floating production storage and offloading vessel. When operational, this FPSO will produce 180,000 barrels of oil and 7 million cubic meters of gas every day, fueling Brazil's growing economy. At the heart of the FPO's assembly was the installation of 30 modules onto the vessel's hull. So when the lifting contractor pulled out of the project at short notice, the project's imminent deadline seemed impossible to meet. And a missed deadline would mean a large financial penalty for Technip de Quinte. This was the size of the challenge they faced. 30 modules weighing between 200 and 2,000 metric tons needed weighing, transporting, and lifting onto the FPSO with millimeter precision, and time was running out, fast. That's when they approached Mammoet. To get the FPSO module integration back on track, Mammoet proposed using a PTC 200 DS crane, one of the largest cranes in the world. The PTC 200 DS combines a 250-meter reach, 360-degree maneuverability, small footprint with 5,000 metric tons lifting capacity. These features would allow the PTC to stand in the limited space of the quayside, lifting and loading the different modules with pinpoint accuracy. Reviewing the inventory of its global resources, Mammoet identified a PTC 200 DS crane that could be mobilized quickly from its location in the United States. Teams from the US, the Netherlands, and Brazil combined forces to execute a swift, smooth relocation in 215 separate containers. On arrival, the crane was assembled and made hook-ready in what was an extremely short time for this huge, complex piece of machinery. The operation was supported by 86 axle lines of self-propelled modular transporters and highly accurate weighing equipment used to determine the exact weight and center of gravity of each module before lifting. To increase the safety and speed of the lifting process, Mammoet replaced the traditional rigging with its own hydraulic adjustable rigging system. This reduced the time needed to organize each module's rigging arrangements and adapt it to the different centers of gravity. With the deadline looming, Mammoet called in a second team of skilled personnel to work a night shift. As safety is always the primary consideration, lifting only took place during daylight hours, while preparatory engineering and rigging work was undertaken at night. Between them, the two crews worked 2 10-hour shifts 7 days a week. With the rapid mobilization and scaling up of equipment and personnel, 2 teams working round the clock, the colossal strength and maneuverability of the PTC crane, and the ingenuity of Mammoet's engineers, all 30 modules were successfully integrated into the FPSO, meeting the deadline efficiently and safely. Mammoet. The biggest thing we move is time.